Hello everybody, welcome back to Gradual Financial Freedom. My name is James and this will be our 10th episode in our stock sector breakdown. This is going to be going over the industrial sector. For those that are new, I'm going to be putting a link down below to the last video that I made for this sector breakdown, and I'm going to be putting an iCard up here for the entire playlist. Real quickly, let's go over the stock sectors. What are they? We have the defensive stocks, were stocks that are not really affected by market downturns, usually stocks tied to items that we need, which will cover the healthcare, utilities, and consumer staple markets. Then we have the cyclical. These are items that when the economy is booming, they're great. When negative affected with market downturns, they're stocks tied to items that we would like to have. These are the technology, financial, consumer discretionary, basic materials, real estate, communication, industrial, and energy. So what is the industrial sector? The industrial sector is companies that are directly involved in producing manufactured finished goods. This includes things under aerospace, defensive, construction, lumber, machinery, and transportation. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my picks. First one on the list is going to be really controversial. It is Navis Maritime Acquisitions Corporation, ticker NNA. Yahoo Finance currently has it listed at $8.76. It is listed as overvalued according to Yahoo Finance. Short term is listed up, midterm up, and long term up. NNA currently pays 30 cents per share. They pay the third quarter, which is March, June, September, December. They also have a special one that they paid this month in January. NNA is currently showing with one analyst looking at it, and they're saying that it could go as low as $7.25. So this is probably one that you're going to want to wait on. Next on the list, we have Capital Production Partners LP, ticker CPLP. Yahoo Finance has it showing as trading currently at $14.13. They also listed as overvalued, with the short-term, mid-term, and long-term all looking up. Currently, CPLP pays 31.5 cents per share. They pay the second month of each quarter, that is February, May, August, and November. TipRanks has 3 analysts that are watching it, and they are predicting anywhere between 14 is low, 16 is the high, with the average around 14.67. With it currently trading at 14.13, all 3 of the analysts are saying that it's going to go up. Next we have Covanta Holding Corporation, CVA. Yahoo Finance says it was trading at $15.15. Current listed maybe as overvalued, and the short term is up, mid-term down, long term down. CVA pays 25 cents per share. They pay the first month of each quarter, so that is January, April, July, and October. According to TipRanks, CVA is showing anywhere that it can go around $15.50 is the low, 18 is the high, with the average about $16.50. So again, this is one of those with 6 analysts watching that are saying that no matter what, it looks like it might go up. Then we have BG Staffing Incorporated, ticker BGSF. Yahoo Finance says it was trading at $21.13. It is listed as undervalued. Short term appears to be down, mid-term up, and long term up. BGSF has a 30-cent dividend pay per share. They pay the second quarter of each month, which is stating that February, May, August, and November. TipRanks has 2 analysts watching this. They say it can go in between $24 to $26 with the average of 25. So again, another one that by this time next year, it may actually be up, with it currently trading at $21.13. So this is my top 4 picks for this sector. Let's go ahead and go into the dividend breakdown that you would have. So if you got it in the entire time, you would have $4,000 invested. Your total dividend payout for the year would be $287.56. Your dividend yield would have increased to 7.19%. Here's the list of how you'd been doing if you would have got each stock for $100 as the videos came out. You can see by the time this video came out, our total gain had dropped down to $25.82. Now there are some that are doing pretty well, while some that were doing pretty well have dropped below. The current percentage gain loss that you would have off of all of them would be 31.84%. And now you can see even a better breakdown of which ones were doing good and which ones were not. So like I've stated every single video so far, I do want to state this one more time. I'm not a financial advisor. Please take everything you see here, do your own research, and pick out what stocks that you believe would actually be doing the best out of each sector. Here's the entire list that we have so far for the industrial sector. Now there were a lot of good ones that I was going to pick. Unfortunately, they just didn't have the ability for me to see them as a good investment for just $100. But if you do want an overall pick, I would just highly suggest XLI. It is one that has a lot of the companies in the industrial sector in it. Another one I'm thinking will eventually turn around is BA or Boeing, but for $300.33 currently, $100 isn't going to cut it. Then we have the elephant in the room, one that I did not pick, and it's in the center. It's MSM, with it having $5.75 showing as per share, paying 4 times a year, and you can only buy one. It will probably pay you around $23.75. So with that, I'm going to be showing the reason why I did not pick MSM, be one of the ones on my 4 pick. MSC Industrial Direct Company, ticker MSM, is currently trading at $76.56 a share. It is by Yahoo Finance listed as near value. Short term is down, mid-term and long term appear to be up. So TipRanks states that it currently has 7 analysts watching it, and they're predicting that it can go as low as $60 or high as $81, with a low average of $72.80. So they're predicting by this time next year that it's going to go down. Now on top of that, we're also looking at the dividend payout. Here you can see that the dividend payout for this month on 1/21 is showing at $5.75, and I will pay in February. But the last couple before that were only 75 cents, and before that was 63. I am believing that this $5.75 is a bonus matched with the 75 cents. So from this point forward, after that payout, if this does drop back down to 75 cents, it will only give you $3 for the year for one stock. It does have a history paying on January, April, and July, and October. This one is a special one paying in February. So with that, I am going to be breaking this sector down. Here's the list of the full amount again. And now I'm going to give you a zoomed in look at it. Our top half does have our NNA, our CPL, and our bottom half does have CBA and BGSF. So if you liked what you've seen so far, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up icon, hit that subscribe button, share it out there, let other people know what's going on, and help them see what sector or what stocks they can get into. If you are looking at getting into Robinhood investing, I do have that link down below. It will give you a free stock. It will also give me a free stock. The best part about it is you don't have to put money into it. You don't even have to do anything. You get free money off of it. Other than that, we only have one more video in this sector breakdown. So we'll get into that one next time. But until then, I do wish you the best of luck on your path to gradual financial freedom.